Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send high quality snaps without losing resolution. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you notice that your snaps become blurry or lose sharpness when sent, Snapchat's default compression is usually the reason. The app reduces file size to make sending faster, but you can tweak a few settings to keep your snaps as clear as possible. So in order to send high quality snaps without losing resolution, you have to follow these steps. First of all, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version available. To check this, open the App Store or Google Play Store and go to the search bar. Type Snapchat, and if you see an update button instead of open, simply tap on it and let the app update. Once your Snapchat app is fully updated, go ahead and open it. After that, go to your profile screen by tapping on Bitmoji icon. Then tap the gear icon to access settings. Scroll down until you find the video quality option and change it from standard or automatic to high. Now, this option is available only for some accounts or in certain regions. If you see it, just go to that setting and change it to high. This ensures Snapchat records and uploads at the best available quality. And if your internet connection is slow, snaps may also upload in lower quality, so try switching from mobile data to a strong Wi-Fi network before sending. After that, make sure the camera settings on your phone are optimized. On iPhone, go to camera settings and enable HDR and high efficiency mode. On Android, open your camera app settings and set photo resolution to its highest option. Using the default Snapchat camera is fine, but if you want maximum clarity, you can shoot with your phone's stock camera first and then upload the image through the Memories camera roll section. Where Snapchat applies less compression. Finally, always clean your camera lens and check lighting, because even perfect settings won't fix a blurry or dim shot. Sending snaps in bright, stable light helps preserve detail once the app compresses the image slightly, and that's it. So that's basically how you can send high quality snaps without losing resolution. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.